Hi everyone, honey garlic shrimp recipe for today. First, I'm dropping olive oil in heat-loving pan and soak the onion, and followed by the ginger. Next, adding the shrimp, frying them for a little bit. I sprinkle with a little bit of salt. I use the rock salt. Here, I'm showing the first sauce that I'm making. So that was the soy sauce, the cream of honey, a lemon juice, mixing them together and add olive oil. Now, this is the second sauce that you can add. So I'm adding only 2 spoons of it. At the store, you can get the honey garlic sauce. Just add the sauce and it's really easy. So this is done now, so I garnish the spring onion on top. Really looks good. If you are guys wondering how to cook shrimp, just follow the simple steps. And which one you prefer, the first sauce or the second sauce? Ito na siya guys. Ready to eat.
So tasty. So good. Delicious.
Hope you all guys enjoy this recipe. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.